Good morning.
Morning. Welcome to ETC Fun Unlimited, where fun never ends. Join me at the breakfast.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so this is our day 5 of this journey, of this beautiful journey in Rajasthan. Right now, we are at Sterling Resorts in Mount Abu, and we are here for the breakfast. For the breakfast, I would like to tell you we have boiled eggs.
Okay.
Boiled eggs, let's move fast. We have cut fruit with the fresh juice. You have choice of cereals. Then you get cold milk and the hot milk. Plus, you have better potato along with the sprouts.
Wow.
Along with that, you have a semolina upma. You have these idlis to be served with the sambar. Also, you can have this bhaji, aloo matar bhaji, along with the puris. Oh, these are puris made of maida. And you get something from the bakery as well. And along with those toast, you have the live counter. From the live counter, you can have the omelette, and or you can have masala omelette, cheese omelette, or you can have plain dosa of the masala dosa. So let's
Okay.
begin.
Making one now? Okay. So that's the dosa being made on order, on request rather. And over here is the omelette being made. बताइए ये क्या खा रहे हैं आप?
Very busy eating, don't disturb. This is my favorite part. Bread with butter and with jam.
Wow. Too good. और साथ में आपने क्या लिया है?
ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. फ्रेश कट फ्रूट, थोड़ा बेकरी, थोड़ा आलू पूरी भाजी, थोड़ा फ्रेश जूस.
सब कुछ फ्रेश है. बच्चा क्यों बैठा है फाका?
मुझे सबसे पहले बफे में आके बफे खा लिया था.
Hey guys, so for the first round I have taken breakfast. ये देखिए steamed butter potato along with masala sprouts. बड़ा मस्त है. और साथ में लाइट काउंटर से बने हुए मसाला ऑमलेट. बोलना पड़ेगा मस्त. The stay, the travel is worth it. आलू भाजी और साथ में पूरियाँ.
Today is 5th November and this is my last day at Mount Abu. I don't feel like going from here. I want to stay here for more. Also, I'm feeling homesick. It's a mixed feeling. I want to go home and I want to stay here also. I love this stay. I love this place. I love this hotel. I love everything about this thing. I'll show you my balcony where I did my Karwa Chauth puja. This is my balcony with a cloth hanger. Wow, I can hear the shank. And this is the view. Who would love to leave this view? At least not me. A girl from the hills can never leave the hills. Come. This was my sofa cum bed where I spent my 2 nights. Third night, my daughter didn't allow me. This was a king size bed where my king was enjoying his stay. This was the coffee table given to us because we took a premier room with sit out. So this is the additional thing that we get along with the iron and ironing board and integrated refrigerator with all the complimentary tea, kettle and everything. We get TV with AC connection. This chest has space also. We get a 2-ton AC. No, you won't need it. You get a wardrobe with safe. So you can keep your things safe. though it's already safe here. I get a complete makeup mirror, and this is the washroom area. In the washroom, I get a shower cubicle, I get a bathtub, I get a vanity counter with all the complimentary toiletries. So this is all about the room. This was a shower cubicle. Come on, guys. Oh, I missed to mention about the luggage rack, which is quite small, not sufficient for a person like me, and this coffee table, which is left behind with a birthday cake. I couldn't eat the complete thing. This was also given to me by the hotel because I celebrated my birthday over here. So that's all for now. I'm signing off, and now we are headed to Udaipur, Hotel Paras Mahal once again. We'll see you there. Thank you. This is the resort where we have stayed, Sterling Mount Abu. And these are the rooms which were allocated to us.
आ जाओ फिर चले उदयपुर हम लोग।
बॉम्बे चलो, बॉम्बे चलो भाई। अब माउंट आबू से अगला सफ़र शुरू होता है उदयपुर का।